News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, Jagdish Narayan Brahmacharya Ashram Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Department of Youth Affairs, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhatinda, Maharshi Sandipani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan, Ujjain, Footwear Design and Development Institute at Noida, and Indian Air Force. The Commandant Defence Services Staff College, Wellington invites application from eligible Indian citizens for the following posts: 4 posts of stenographer grade 2, 10 posts of lower division clerk, 7 posts of civilian motor driver ordinary grade, 1 post of sukhani, 1 post of carpenter, and 60 posts of multitasking staff MTS office and training. Last date for receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit the website www.dssc.gov.in. Jagdish Narayan Brahmacharya Ashram Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya invites applications for 1 post of principal for a period of 5 years, extendable for another term of 5 years on the basis of performance assessment by a committee appointed by the university. Last date of receipt of application will be 23rd May 2021. Applications are invited from suitable candidates below the age of 65 years for appointment to the post of Director in the School of Planning and Architecture SPA at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Education, Government of India on contract basis for a period of 5 years. Applications in the prescribed format typed on plain paper furnishing complete curriculum vitae with detailed educational and professional qualification and experience should be sent by registered or speed post to the concerned authority so as to reach him within 6 weeks of publication of the advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Persons employed in government department or autonomous organizations and public sector undertakings should submit their applications through proper channel. Complete details including format of application are available at www.mhrd.gov.in and www.spav.ac.in. Applications are invited for filling up 1 post of Chief Engineer Level 1 by deputation including short-term contract in the Brahmaputra Board, Guwahati, a statutory body set up under an Act of Parliament 46 of 1980 under the administrative control of the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The Chief Engineer Level 1 of Brahmaputra Board shall be responsible for preparation of master plan for river basins in the NE region, planning and design of different water resource projects, preparation of DPRs for drainage development schemes as identified in the master plans, and preparation of DPRs for river valley projects. Applications with full particulars of the applicant in Annexure 1 to 5 should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. All applications will be treated in strict confidence. Those from government and public sector should apply through proper channel. Applications without full details as asked for are liable to be rejected. Kind attention is invited to the vacancy circular dated 11th January 2021 published in Employment News for the period of 30th January to 5th February 2021, wide which application for the post of Executive Director in NYKS on deputation basis were called for within 45 days from the date of publication of said advertisement. The last date for receipt of application for the post of Executive Director has now been extended for a further period of 14 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The applicants who have already applied need not apply again. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhatinda, is an apex healthcare institute being established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana PMSSY. With the aim of correcting regional imbalances in quality tertiary level healthcare in the country and attaining self-sufficiency in graduate and postgraduate medical education and training, the PMSSY planned to set up 6 new AIIMS-like institutions in underserved areas of the country. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhatinda invites application from eligible candidates on deputation basis for the post of Financial Advisor, Medical Superintendent, Executive Engineer Civil and Electrical, and for faculty post on regular and contractual basis in various departments. Please visit AIIMS Bhatinda website www.aimsbhatinda.edu.in for details. Last date of applications for deputation post will be 30 days from the date of publication. Applications from eligible candidates are invited for filling up one post of Program Officer on deputation basis in Maharishi Sandipani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan Ujjain, an autonomous organization under the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Last date for receipt of application will be 45 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. For details regarding eligibility, proforma for application, etc., please visit Maharishi Sandipani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan website www.msrvvp.ac.in. Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India proposes and invites applications from eligible officers of the central government or state government or union territories or public sector undertaking or autonomous body or statutory body or university or recognized research institute for one post of secretary in Footwear Design and Development Institute at Noida for a tenure of 5 years. The mode of recruitment is deputation, including short-term contract. 4 sets of applications complete in all respect of willing and eligible officers who can be spared by the central government or state government or union territories or public sector undertaking or autonomous body or statutory body or university or recognized research institute may be forwarded through proper channel to this department along with completed annual confidential report or annual performance appraisal report last 5 years. Last date for receipt of applications is 45 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Website of Department of Commerce www.commerce.gov.in or Footwear Design and Development Institute www.fddiindia.com or Department of Personnel and Training dopt.gov.in may be referred to for detailed vacancy notice along with recruitment rules, qualification or experience, terms and conditions, application format and job profile, etc. In continuation of Indian Air Force recruitment notice published in Employment News dated 3rd to 9th April 2021 regarding filling up of Group C civilian post in IAF on direct recruitment basis, a corrigendum is hereby issued under the heading Central Air Command Units against serial number 4, 5, 11, 18, 21 and 23 of advertisement table in Employment News dated 1st to 7th May 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.